Good morning, class 7th. We are in chapter light. Okay, and in previous lecture, we talk about lenses, and today I am going to teach you some important terms related to lenses. The first term is principal axis. Okay, see first figure number 16.19. This one. This straight line is known as principal axis. This straight line is said to be line segment is known as principal axis. Okay, so the distance between the center of curvature of two spherical mirror are said to be principal axis. The line joining the center of two spheres C1 C2 of which the lenses form a part of is called principal axis of the lens. Optical center. The optical center is a center of lens. A ray of light passes through the optical center of a lens, emerge undeviated. Okay, so optical center is all about those centers of lenses. Okay, so basically optical center is the center of a lens. Okay, which is denoted by 0. This is optical center. This is optical center. Okay, now see, the optical center is the center of lens, which we can see in figure 16.19. Principal focus and focal length. The spot on the paper is actually the image of the sun formed on a screen by lenses. It is therefore a real image, and this point is called principal focus, which is denoted by capital F of the lens. I repeat, the spot on the paper is actually the image of the sun formed on a screen by the lens are known as principal focus. Okay, let us see in figure this and this. Here is a point which is focus, and here is a point which is focus. Okay, so focus is a point at which image formed. You can see in figure 16.20. A converging lens bend a ray of light passes through it inwards towards the principal axis. It makes all rays parallel to the principal axis meet to a single point called principal focus of the lenses. Okay, so convex lens are known as converging lens, so because it converge the ray of light. Okay, you can see in figure 16.20a this one, how all the incident ray come on the surface of lens after refraction. These all incident ray are come at a point, then it's said to be convergent. Okay, let us talk about another case. A concave lens has the property of bending a ray of light passes through it outward. Okay, and the light ray parallel to principal axis spread outward away from principal axis, which is said to be diverge, and the appears if they were coming from a point, and this point from where the light appeared to come after principal focus through the lens and from the concave lens. Okay, so here you can see in this figure all the incident ray come at the surface of lens, after which it after refraction after interacting, these all rays are going in different direction. They are not coming at a point. Okay, come at same point. Okay, so this is said to be divergent, and such type of lenses are known as diverging lens. So this is all about convex and concave lens on the basis of converge and diverge of light rays. One thing that we need to focus, a point at which all these incident ray come at a point are said to be focus. I repeat, the spot on a paper, actually the image is image of the sun formed, okay, on a screen by the lens are said to be principal focus, and the distance between the optical center and the focus of a lens are known as focal length. So distance between optical center to focus is known as focal length, okay, is known as focal length. I repeat, the distance between optical center to focus are known as focal length. The thicker the lens, the more it bends, and the light rays and further smaller its focal length. Please write down in the note, the thicker the lens, the more it bends, and the light rays and the smaller is its focal length. Okay, so this is all about principal focus and focal length. Okay, let us move to another topic, which is lens, image formed by a lens. You can see table 16.2. in table 16.2, position of object is given, position of image is given, and nature of image is given. Okay, let us see if the position of object is between O to F, of O and F. If the position of object lies between optical center and focus, then the position of image on the same side of object, and the nature of image in this case is virtual, erect, and magnified. Okay,